probably know that past tense ed actually has 3 sounds, ed or id, d, and t. But do you know when? When we add suffix ed to these words, we hear the ed or id sound. Demanded, herded, started, toasted. What do they have in common? They end with d or t. When I add ed to these verbs, it's going to sound like d, called, loved, stained. And the reason is the final sound in each of those words is voiced. Call. When I say voiced, that means if you touch your voice box or your buzzer, when you say that sound, you will feel a vibration. Call, love. And that's going to make that final ed suffix sound like d. So you can guess that ed is going to sound like t when it follows an unvoiced sound, like in fix, look, watch. Touch your buzzer and say x. You don't feel a vibration, it's unvoiced, and that's why this is going to sound like t.